Good morning, students. Today, our revision is based on the midterm syllabus. That means it contains halves and quarters, it contains jugs and mugs, it contains junk seller, it contains multiples and tables and shares, everything that you have already covered or that is a part of your midterm syllabus. Now, first question, fill up. There are 5 questions here. First question is 125 ml plus blank ml is equals to 1 liter. You have to fill that blank. Moving to the next board. Second question, 126 divided by 9 is equals to blank. That means you have to calculate and find out the answer. Third question, addition of 3 like fractions, 3 by 17 plus 8 by 17 plus 2 by 17. Coming to the next board. Here, fourth question is from 19 by 25, you have to subtract 6 by 25. Question number 5, from 3 2 upon 7, you have to subtract 1 2 upon 7 and find out the result. All the rough work should be shown for these fill-ups. Coming to calculation sums. Now, question number 6, 3066. Mind it, here you have to find the quotient and remainder. You have to find quotient and remainder. See, I am also marking over here Q and R. Quotient and remainder you have to find after dividing. Question number 7, you have to multiply 1095 by 12. Coming to question number 8, you have to convert 5,90,059 milliliter into liters and milliliters. Moving to question number 9 on the next board. See that here you have to convert the given mixed fraction to improper fraction. I repeat, you have to convert the given mixed fraction to improper fraction. The mixed fraction given is 13 whole 11 upon 17. 13 whole 11 upon 17. Coming to 10th question. See, question number 10. You have to convert to mixed fraction. That means an improper fraction is given. You have to convert it to mixed fraction. 259 divided by 11. 259 divided by 11. Next is diagram based. See that a circle has been made. I am drawing it again. You have to find something out of it. I am drawing the circle again. Now you observe the diagram first. From the diagram you have to answer or find what fraction is unshaded in above circle. You have to find what fraction is unshaded in above circle. Just take a look at the circle once again. You have to find what fraction is unshaded in above circle. For these types of questions, you have to draw the circle and then find out the fraction. Now look at this figure. There are a certain number of boxes, out of which a few are shaded. You have to find what fraction. First take a look at the figure, first draw it, then you have to find what fraction is shaded in above diagram. You have to find what fraction is shaded in above diagram. Take a look at the fraction one. Take a look at the diagram once again. You have to find what fraction is shaded in above diagram. Next we come to the word problem. A man bought eggs for rupees 60 per dozen. That means 1 dozen eggs he has bought for rupees 60 and sold them for rupees 7 per piece, and he has sold each of them for rupees 7. Find earning per egg sold. That means how much money did he earn on selling one egg. And number B, total profit on selling a dozen eggs. And the second one is the total profit earned on selling a dozen eggs. I repeat once again, a man bought eggs for rupees 60 per dozen and sold them for rupees 7 per piece. Find earning per egg sold, that means what money he is earning on selling one egg, and total profit on selling a dozen eggs. So this will be your today's revision work. You will do them in your copy along with the questions. Thank you.